Aditi Arya and welcome to Mr. India 2015. Powered by Geo Collection in association with Zoiro and Stay On. Yes, we're back to hunt for the most desirable man in India, and he will be representing India at Mr. World. Delhi, Chandigarh and Bangalore के ऑडिशंस के बाद जो contestants इन cities से shortlist हुए हैं, हमने उन्हें मुंबई बुलाया है for a final round of audition. Here, the top 15 contestants will be chosen and they will be going through a grueling period of training and grooming. So let's start this exciting journey with the final round of auditions. I want them to impress me with their personality, but definitely there are a few criteria like the height, the physique, and of course connection.
We'll see them in terms of their appearance, in terms of their personality, the way they walk, the way they charm us.
We're looking for a guy who can just sort of blow us away with his confidence and put together a presentation that's really wonderful.
So I'm here in the waiting area with all the contestants and I thought I'll just have a quick chat and figure out how excited or nervous they are. What Mr. India offers to the contestants over here?
More than anything, it's about how much we learn from everyone.
Right.
And the grooming session and what goes on for like the next 8 days.
Right.
That matters the most.
This is one of the best pageant for the men's especially.
Yeah.
From thousands of boys who have applied, 70 of you all have made the cut. We are looking for a combination that makes the perfect Bollywood star with the potential to also be a supermodel.
It's the X factor that's going to matter here. All the best.
I'm the first contestant here और judges are अंदर wait कर रहे हैं और मैं जाऊंगा अंदर. So I'm very excited.
आपको लगता है आप चार्मिंग हैं?
लड़कियां तो यही कहती हैं.
अच्छा. Describe your look.
मुझे एक साउदू टाइप्स लुक चाहिए, विलन टाइप्स.
शक्ल तो इतनी तुम्हारी स्वीट जैसी है और तुम विलन बनना चाहते हो.
तुम्हारा हाइट है और तुम्हारा बाल है.
I was very fat. I was 95 kgs at the time.
20 kilos when you lose, you get a lot of stretch marks. So
Turn around.
Yeah.
Great, Manish.
फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने लाइफ में कोई गोल सेट किया है लाइफ में, वो मिस्टर इंडिया है और उससे उस गोल को पाने के लिए आई कैन डू एनीथिंग.
ये एक्टिंग बहुत अच्छी करते हैं ना? करते हैं आप अच्छी एक्टिंग वैसे?
जब ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ किसी पर पड़ता है ना तो वो उठता नहीं, उठ जाता है.
मुझे नहीं पता था कि तुम मुझे इतना नीच और त्याग समझते हो.
इससे पहले मैंने सब मार गिराया. तू चुप कर.
ये साले लौंडे मुझे गन्ने के खेत दिखाना चाहते हैं.
Sing 2 lines for us.
घबरा के तेरे घर आया, आकर तेरा कुंडा खड़काया. ऐ माँ मैं हूँ बिगड़ा इंसान.
Just like to see a bit of your dancing if you don't mind. A new level. Club dancing. Huh? Thank you. Today at Mr. India 2015, it was one of the most nerve-wracking days, and it was going to be very, very tough to see who the final 15 would be.
I think I did pretty well. I'm sure the other contestants did pretty well, considering they're all the cream of India. So just keeping my fingers crossed.
13, 17.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जजेस को मेरी एक्टिंग पसंद आई होगी. अगर नहीं आई होगी तो क्या बोलूँ, मुझसे बड़ा दुखी इंसान और कौन होगा.
मिस्टर इंडिया टॉप 15 अनाउंस होना था. सभी बहुत क्यूरियस थे कौन टॉप फाइनलिस्ट होंगे.
Number 56.
सबसे पहला नाम मेरा ही आया था जब उन लोगों ने नाम अनाउंस किया. That was the happiest moment for me.
Next up, it's number 36. Number 3, number 17, number 23.
मैं काफी नर्वस हो चुका था. I was like कि सिर्फ 10 बंदे बचे हैं यार. तेरा नाम नहीं आया अभी तक.
Number 18.
All of a sudden they announced my name and I was so pumped up at that time. I was like, man, I've done it.
32. 71, number 20.
मैं तो बहुत ही खुश था. मैं मतलब जंप करके एकदम वहाँ जाके खड़ा हुआ. मैं कहा थैंक यू जजेस, थैंक यू.
Number 8.
ये समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि ये एक्चुअली हो रहा है कि आई एम रियली ड्रीमिंग और समथिंग लाइक दैट.
One more place left to go. Any guesses?
46.
The lucky number is 43. Congratulations, gentlemen.
इन्हीं 15 कंटेस्टेंट्स में से एक होगा हमारा नेक्स्ट मिस्टर इंडिया, जो इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा शान से इंटरनेशनली एट मिस्टर वर्ल्ड. सो लेट्स मीट आवर फाइनलिस्ट एंड टेक अ क्लोजर लुक.
मेरा नाम अक्षय जैन है, मैं 25 साल का हूँ, मुंबई से ही हूँ. मैंने मास्टर्स किए है इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग. इफ मिस्टर इंडिया इज पॉसिबल फॉर मी, देन माय नेक्स्ट एम वुड बी एमिंग फॉर मिस्टर वर्ल्ड कॉम्पिटिशन.
My name is Ankit Arora. I am 24 years of age. I belong from Delhi. It is extremely important for me to win Mr. India 2015. If I win this, I would get to represent my country internationally.
Hi, this is Jitesh Thakur. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I am trendy and I am into fashion. So I am pretty confident to winning this title.
Hi, my name is Manish Mudgal. I'm 25 years of age and I'm from Delhi. I'm here for Mr. India 2015 title, not just to get selected in top 5 or top 10.
My name is Neeraj Sharma. I'm 24 years old. From my childhood, I was passionate about dancing and modeling. I can never quit. This is my dream. This is what I live for.
मेरा नाम प्रतीक गुजराल है, मैं मुंबई से बिलोंग कर रहा हूँ. आई एम फ्रॉम एन IT background. I have the power of inspiring people, which is why I feel that I can be the face of India.
Hi, my name is Rahul and I'm from Bangalore, 25 years old. I'm a professional model and I also have my own business. I think my dedication towards things that I do and an effort I put in, I think that would separate me from the rest. And also, I could probably use my charm to get my way through, I guess.
Hi, I'm Rajadeep Singh. My age is 22. I stand 6.1 feet tall. I belong from New Delhi. Mr. India should be someone with a golden heart. So I think I can gain that quality in me.
Hi, I am Rishabh Bajaj. I'm 23 years old. I am from Chandigarh. I graduated as a mechanical engineer. All I believe in myself is I am a contender. I prepared very hard to be here.
Hi, I'm Rohit Khandelwal. I'm from Hyderabad, 25 years old. After graduation, I figured out I was more interested towards dance, acting, drama and everything else. I'm here to give my best. Either I win or I learn. I never lose.
I am Rupinderjeet Singh. I'm 23 years old and I'm from Chandigarh. मेरे लिए टाइटल जीतना इम्पोर्टेंट इसलिए है क्योंकि इस बार इट्स डायरेक्ट एंट्री टू बॉलीवुड. जो ऑरा है, करिश्मा है, पर्सनैलिटी है, वो मुझे स्टैंड आउट करती है फ्रॉम द क्राउड.
हाय, मेरा नाम सागर है और मैं 22 साल का हूँ और मैं दिल्ली का रहने वाला हूँ. मॉडलिंग ऐसा हुआ, मैंने कॉलेज में अपना ट्राई किया था एक बार. मुझे शैशे वैशे मिला तो आई वाज लाइक यार ये तो बहुत सही सी चीज़ है. अब ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार टॉप 15 में इतनी प्रमोशन है तो टॉप 1 की कितनी प्रमोशन होगी. तो अब मैं उसी के लिए सोच रहा हूँ कुछ भी हो जाए, ये टाइटल मैं लेके जाऊँगा.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम शिशिर सिंह चौहान है. मैं बेसिकली कैलकाटा से हूँ बट पिछले 4 साल से बॉम्बे में रह रहा हूँ. मैं एक एक्टर हूँ. लास्ट 1 महीने से मैं बहुत डिसिप्लिन लाइफ जी रहा हूँ. तो मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं मैं उस वजह से स्टैंड आउट करता हूँ बाकियों से.
Hi, I'm Suraj Chajet. I'm 21 years old and I belong to Pune city. Well, I was always into fitness and it gave me a very good personality. I believe in giving my 100%, 200% when it's required. How many times I fall, I lose, I'll always get up and try again.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम उल्हास दीवाना है. मैं 26 साल का हूँ. मैं बेसिकली चंडीगढ़ से हूँ मगर 2 साल से मुंबई में रह रहा हूँ. मुझे एक्टर बनना है तो यहाँ से मुझे एक एक्सपोजर मिलेगा. मेरे हिसाब से मेरा कंपटीशन में खुद ही मुझे अपने आप को हर दिन बेटर करना है.
हर पिक्चर का इंटरवल तभी होता है जब कहानी और भी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली हो. हमारी जर्नी यहाँ से और भी एक्साइटिंग और इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है विद द कमेंसमेंट ऑफ द ग्रूमिंग एंड द ट्रेनिंग सेशन. तो मिलते हैं एक शॉर्ट ब्रेक के बाद ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ मिस्टर इंडिया 2015, पावर्ड बाय जियो कलेक्शंस इन एसोसिएशन विद Zoiro and Stay On.
Welcome back to Mr. India 2015, where we are looking out for the most desirable man in the country. And I, Ankita Shori, Miss India International 2011, I'm here to cheer them up as we begin with our sub-contests today. And we begin with Stay On, Mr. Active. All these men are going to be judged on the basis of their endurance, fitness and stamina. Come, let's watch.
The first challenge is 20 laps of this ground. Go, go, go!
I think this would be minimum 400 meters one lap. So it would be a lot.
It's going to be pretty tough as everyone is well built. Let's see what happens now.
दौड़ तक मेरी यही स्ट्रेटेजी थी कि पहले आराम से भागूंगा, जब लास्ट के 2 या 3 राउंड रह जाएंगे फिर मैं पेस भागूंगा।
सेकंड आया हूँ, होपिंग कि नेक्स्ट वाले में फर्स्ट आऊँ।
एक्सट्रीमली टायर्ड यार, अभी इमीडिएटली इन्होंने दूसरा राउंड स्टार्ट कर दिया। नाउ लेट्स सी, फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड।
So 15 have become 10. You 10 boys will come to the jump rope. You jump 10 times this side and 10 times back. And when you finish that, you will run back to that section where the water bottles are kept. You bring the water bottles back and you run back to bring the second bottle.
And God, I'm telling you, this is really hard.
And the first 5 to bring the second bottle over here and run back to the finish line are the 5 finalists.
हमें अब थर्ड राउंड में ये जो टायर है इसे उस फिनिश लाइन के पार लेके जाना है और फिर वहीं से ये टायर इधर लेके आना है और फिर हमें यहाँ से स्प्रिंट करके फिनिश लाइन तक जाना है।
अब मुझे पता था कि फाइनल राउंड है, मेरे से काफी टफ कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं, फिर भी मेरे दिमाग में एक चीज थी, मैं अपना बेस्ट दूंगा चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए।
My strategy was simple, breathing properly. I didn't panic. I just picked up my speed and stay on.
So congratulations boys, well done. And with me today, Jayesh and Shanky Mehta and the lovely Ankita here to give you the prizes. So it's time to announce the top 3. Number 3, Shishir Singh Chauhan. And in second place, we have Rishabh Bajaj. And now requesting Mr. Jayesh Mehta to hand over the prize to the winner. And guys, it's Rohit Khandelwal.
These men could be really rough and tough and dirty and sweaty on the ground. But what about their hygiene levels? So our next sub-contest is Mr. Metrosexual. And trust me, these men are going to have tougher time passing through the hygiene test than the test on the ground. Come, let's watch them.
After sweating it hard out in the first sub-contest, I need to look groomed in the second sub-contest, for which I'll be using Wall all-in-one grooming kit.
My next sub-contest is going to start in a few minutes. It's time to look sharp again.
Boys, please take off your shirts.
Akshay, come forward.
एक एक को बिल्कुल पास बुला के बारीकी से चेक कर रहे थे, उसके नेल्स, फीट्स, बॉडी हेयर्स, फेशियल हेयर, बियर्ड। थोड़े बड़े अंडर
What is the most important thing in your grooming?
For me, eating good is the most important thing.
Trim your hair regularly, your beard, your mustache.
Just turn around. Can we see your back?
Right now, you don't have a very clean line as you should have.
Thank you very much. Right now, we are going to do is tell you who the top 3 are. Please step forward. Number 10, Rohit Khandelwal. Number 14, Suraj Chajed. And number 7, Rahul Rajashekar.
I'm really happy I made it through Mr. Metrosexual. Let's see आगे क्या plan है हमारे लिए and we'll try to give our level best.
आज हमारा सब कॉन्टेस्ट है जियो कलेक्शन मिस्टर ट्रेंड सेटर। उसके लिए रात को हमें सरप्राइज जियो का वॉच बॉक्स मिला था जिसमें से हमें रैंडमली वॉचेस चूज करनी थी।
So today we are going to judge the Geo Collection Mr. Trendsetter, and the criteria for judging are:
Style is very individual and each contestant has been given a watch and he would interpret his style for that watch. The textures of the fabrics are not going together, so it's not really coming together, but the combination is kind of okay.
Don't you think the jacket is too small for you? ये छोटा size पहनने में कुछ अच्छा लगता है क्या?
I can carry Geo Collection watch with everything, not only with tuxedos and blazer suits.
It's a lovely look.
The name says Geo Mr. Trendsetter, so you have to set a new trend.
Put the glares on and show the mafia look, na then.
Thank you very much.
Now, boys, please exit. We want to discuss.
The top 3 contestants who have made it for the Geo Collection Mr. Trendsetter. So in random order, contestant number 12. Then we have contestant number 6. Now we have contestant number 3. So these are our top 3 for Geo Collection, Mr. Trendsetter. Thank you so much, judges.
मैंने बहुत ही सिंपल स्टाइल रखा, प्रिटेंड नहीं किया, एफर्टलेस स्टाइलिंग थी मेरी ये. सो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक जियो कलेक्शन फॉर selecting me as one of the trendsetters.
The next sub-contest is SRM University Mr. Sudoku to test the IQ of our 15 finalists.
सुडोकू नाम सुना था मगर मुझे पता नहीं था कि क्या करना है.
मैंने आज तक कभी सुडोकू नहीं खेला.
So I know for a fact that many of them haven't played it before. So let's have some fun and see what they're going to be doing now.
Being Mr. India, you need to be intelligent.
अभी तो रिजल्ट ही बताएगा. Let's hope for the best.
We have one more sub-contest, which is Mr. Congenial, someone who you really like within your group.
3 people are going to step forward. Sagar, Prateek, Ullas. And the rest of you are going to vote for one person out of the top 3.
We won't announce the results. The results will be announced when? Yes. Can we give it up for these 3, please, for contending?
When the hottest men of the country are here, why would you want to go anywhere else? Am I right? So, लेते हैं एक short break और वापस आते हैं Provoke Personal Care Mr. India 2015 only on Zoom. Welcome back to the show where India's most talented, hot and desirable men are battling it out to win Provoke Personal Care Mr. India 2015. Hamare 15 warriors are getting ready for a boot camp drill in ace cricketer Zaheer Khan's Pro Sport Fitness Studio. ये sub contest उनकी strength and fitness को test करेगा. So let's see who wins Pro Sport Mr. Ironman.
Well, Pro Sport is associated with the fitness side of Mr. India 2015 for this year. Trainers ने एक tough fitness test निकाला हुआ है.
We're going to start with the plank, then we're going to do the standing long jump, bench press, goblet squat, battle ropes and rowing.
It's not easy, you know. It's combination of strength, stamina, your aerobic capacity. You know, you have to be really tough. So the contestant has to be really tough and strong, not only physically but mentally as well to do all these tasks.
So today we are going to find out who is the Iron Man.
सब फिटनेस फ्रीक्स हैं यहाँ पे. सो आज सबके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट दिन है बिकॉज आज हर कोई मैदान में है और आज पता लग जाएगा किस में कितना है दम.
Every cell is depleted of oxygen and they are still going. They're working on, I don't know, lactic acid or something. They're amazing boys.
These tasks, what they have picked is amazing because this is not something we do at the gym.
Remember proper technique. Okay, otherwise we're all going to win.
मुझे नहीं लगता कोई नॉर्मल इंसान कर पाएगा. मुझे इसके बारे में बिल्कुल भी अंदाजा नहीं था कि इतना टफ होने वाला है. जितना सोचा था उससे बहुत इंटेंस एक्सरसाइजेज हुई हैं और सारी टाइम्ड एक्सरसाइजेज थी. बहुत मुश्किल है.
Now my respect for these boys is just like increased because this is some difficult stuff.
मुझे लगता है कि मैंने 3 मैच सबसे अच्छा किया है और मुझे कहीं ना कहीं इतना डिजर्व करता हूँ और जो डिजर्विंग होगी वो टॉप 3 में आ ही जाएंगे.
मैंने अपना बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस दिया है. हो सकता है मैं टॉप 3 में रहूँ, हो सकता है टॉप 5 में रहूँ.
कोई किस में जीत रहा है, कोई किस में जीत रहा है. डिसाइड करना बहुत मुश्किल है कि जब क्यूमुलेटिव स्कोर होएगा तो कौन सबसे ऊपर आता है.
And trying to find Mr. Iron Man, but honestly after looking at them work so hard, we personally feel that everyone here is Iron Man, and if working out with Zaheer Khan does this, I mean we should come from Monday. Every day.
So you guys enjoyed Pro Sport way of training? Yes. I strongly feel that to achieve any goal or to succeed in life, you got to have 3 Ds in you, and 3 Ds are basically determination, dedication, and discipline. And I think the results will talk about itself anyways. So the Pro Sport Ironman contest, trainers, names are right?
Right.
So it's Ankit, Rahul and Ullas.
Congratulations. Good luck with the final round of competition.
Congratulations, boys. The finales are not very far, and I think now we're just so excited because this competition and this particular batch is just amazing. Yeah, wish you all the very, very best. After sweating it out at Pro Sport Ironman competition, now our boys are off to the next competition, which is Mr. Photogenic. So guys, be a little posy, look good, and do your best.
Hi, my name is Amit Khanna, and I'm the photographer for the Mr. India pageant. The first session was the headshot session, जहाँ पे उन लोग सिर्फ डेनिम्स पहन के शूट कर रहे थे. We were focusing more on their face, their posing style. We went black and white, very international, focusing more on what looks good on them. After that, we did Nivedita's collection, which was, the Western wear.
The finale collection that I've put together especially for the Mr. India finalists, which is a sleek collection of shaded, hand-quilted and very, very technically strong tuxedos. 15 ensembles as a complete collection, looking stunning on the boys.
So let's have a closer look at what each guy has showcased us. Now we're going to call the boys in and we're going to announce in random orders who at this point of time are top 3.
The final 3 contestants would be number 10, number 14, and number 3.
All 3 of them have something nice about them. It's either the eyes or the expression.
और भी कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया है और अब मैं मेन पेजेंट के लिए फोकस करूंगा.
अब हमारा नेक्स्ट सब कॉन्टेस्ट टाइम टॉप मॉडल.
The criteria for judging is definitely looks, attitude, ramp walk.
मैं काफ़ी कॉन्फिडेंस हूँ क्योंकि मेरी पर्सनैलिटी सबसे अलग है, मैं सबसे डिफरेंट लुक में हूँ.
But I also can say it in one word, it's like silent acting. So your walking has to do the talking. So let's see who stands out.
The main thing which I was focusing on कि एक blank look ना हो, एक शक्ल से लगे कि हाँ इसको पता है कहाँ जाना है, इसे पता है वापस कहाँ आना है.
You all did really well, and we have the top 5 in random order. Number 6, Kriti. Contestant number 2, Ankit. Contestant number 12, Sagar. Contestant number 14, Suraj. And last but not the least, contestant number 10, Rohit. Congratulations, guys. Good job, guys.
Thank you.
Very well.
Today we're going to have this interesting sub-contest. It's called Times Mr. Personality. It's going to be everything and your confidence is very key.
The main thing that we have to concentrate on is to know what they're really made up of.
Would you say that you're a cool dude or a hot dude?
I would say I'm a cool dude. So what are you waiting for to be called hot? Who is the President of India?
Sorry?
Who is the President of India?
Next question, sir.
Oh my God.
Who is the Prime Minister of India? Come on. Prime Minister ne madam.
If you had to propose me right now.
I can't wait for 14th February. Will you be my Valentine today? Please.
You rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 in hotness.
10.
In humor.
10.
In personality.
10.
Okay, Sagar, thank you.
Thank you.
We will only announce the winner on the final day, but the top 3 in the Mr. Personality contest are Suraj, Rohit, and Rahul.
Amongst us top 3, I think it'll be either me or Rohit. I'll let the best man win.
Our boys have been working very hard the entire week. So now it's time for some fun, some unwinding, and some masti.
काफ़ी हेक्टिक शेड्यूल के बाद आज हमें एक रिलैक्स का मौका मिला, हमें टाइम मिला कि आप बाहर जा सकते हो, शॉपिंग कर सकते हो.
Watches, duos, and yes, perfume. And they smell amazing.
लोगों के परफ्यूम स्पेस बहुत ही अच्छे हैं एंड आई गेस मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड भी बहुत खुश होगी मेरे से क्योंकि इट्स वेरी स्वीट, इट्स अपीलिंग, यू नो.
तो अभी हमारा शॉपिंग का सिलसिला ख़त्म होता है यहाँ पे क्योंकि सब कॉन्टेस्ट अभी काफ़ी सारे बाकी हैं.
It's time to choose Dr. A's Clinic, Mr. Healthy Hair at Mr. India 2015's competition. Please let me introduce Captain Dr. Mr. Poswal, who is the leading technologist and technician regarding healthy hair.
Now we'll be checking the density of your hair, the texture of your hair. Based on the health of hair and the scalp, we'll be categorizing.
आई एम प्रीटी कॉन्फिडेंट कि मेरे जो जेनेटिक हेयर हैं वो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं.
How often you do shampooing?
2 to 3 times a week.
Any family history of hair loss?
No.
इसका राज क्या है?
एवरी 9 days के बाद सरसों का तेल
Wow.
पूरा बहुत
My mom
ज़्यादा
also says that.
और
I
2
know.
दिन तक वो लगा रहता है.
You've got your top 3, so in no particular order, may I call upon them? Our first one out is Ankit. Please invite on stage Ulhas. And the third boy is Sagar Kerai.
It was very difficult to choose the top 3 winners because all of them have really good hair.
It's very important to have a healthy living for your hairstyle also. You can't just go around.
Good evening and welcome to Mr. India's sub-contest rounds. Today is a very important one. It is the Zoiro Mr. Perfect Body. And in this round, we look for the boy with the best proportion, the best development, an overall package who's simply superb.
There was another sub-contest, Zoiro, Mr. Perfect Body. Zoiro had given us a very fancy style of underwears, inner garments.
The task was you have to walk wearing Zoiro innerwear, do a ramp walk and dance there for 5 seconds. Basically, they're going to see how flexible you are with your body and how well you carry yourself wearing the underwear.
Here are 3 finalists in no particular order. Akshay, number 1. Ulhas, number 15. And number 7, Rahul.
I would now request Gail to felicitate these guys. They have won themselves an exclusive photo shoot for the brand Zoiro, and they also get honored with a check for themselves.
Congratulations and keep up the good work. Thank you.
प्रवोक पर्सनल केयर बेस्ट एक्टर मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी. अगर इसमें जीत गया तो मुझे सीधा टॉप 5 में एंट्री मिलेगी. तो आशा करता हूँ मैं जीत जाऊँ ये कंटेस्ट और सीधा टॉप 5 में पहुँचूँ.
हम ऐसे लड़के को चुनना चाहते हैं जो किसी भी भाषा की फिल्मों में लॉन्च हो सके.
नहीं बताना चाहता किसी को, भूल जाना चाहता हूँ कि मैं कौन था, क्या था.
ये नाटक बंद कर, उठ जा. जाके चढ़ जा उस पहाड़ की चोटी पे.
भगवान सब ठीक करेगा. हे, जस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. पुरील, हेलो.
एक बच्चे को उसकी माँ छोड़ के चलेगी.
साले ड्रामा क्वीन.
होते कौन हो मुझे ये सब कहने वाले?
धमकी दे रहे तुम मुझे? ये बात मैं अपने आप से 100 बार कह चुका हूँ.
What is the wrong with it? Damn it!
Provoke Personal Care Best Actor nominees are contestant number 11, Rupinder, contestant number 13, Shishir, contestant number 6, Pratik, contestant number 10, Rohit, contestant number 7, Rahul. A lot of them will be seen on screen or on TV or anything to do with the media business because I think they're very talented, hardworking and disciplined.
जजेस के सामने एक्टिंग करने के बाद हमें एक और सब कॉन्टेस्ट के लिए बुलाया गया. उसका नाम था टाइम्स मिस्टर टैलेंटेड. तो उसमें देख रहे थे किस किस के क्या क्या टैलेंट्स हैं.
Mr. Talented, the top 3 are contestant number 5, Neeraj, contestant number 6, Pratik, contestant number 15, Ulhas.
सबकी परफॉर्मेंसेस काफ़ी अच्छी थी बट आई वाज कॉन्फिडेंट कि डांस में मैं अच्छा कर पाऊंगा. सो उन 3 लोगों में मुझे भी चुना गया एंड काफ़ी खुशी हुई मुझे.
आगे और भी एक्साइटिंग एक्टिविटीज बाकी हैं हमारे हंकी कंटेस्टेंट्स के लिए लीडिंग इनटू द ग्रैंड फिनाले. To take a short break and keep watching Provoke Personal Care Mr. India 2015. and welcome back to Provoke Personal Care Mr. India 2015. Powered by Geo Collection in association with Zoiro and Stay On. I'm here for the final round of judging. And guess what? Today, even I get to be part of the jury to vote for my favorite contestant. So let's get started.
जैसे ही हम अंदर गए 4 जजेस इस साइड पे, वो मिस इंडिया सारी लाइन से बैठी हुई थी और 3 जजेस इस साइड पे, बेसिकली वो जूरी थी जिन्होंने हमें जज किया.
We will start with our Q&A round.
हमें पता चला कि कुछ कार्ड्स दिए जाएंगे हमें जहाँ पे जूरी का नाम लिखा जाएगा जो हमसे पर्टिकुलर सवाल करेगा.
Which famous person do you identify with the most?
ऋतिक रोशन.
Can you do a Hrithik Roshan move? That's so Hrithik.
If you had to go on a date with a celebrity, who would it be and why?
I think I'll go out with Irina Shayk, and I would love to take you also as well out on a date.
Hi Sagar, I've been dying to say this. You look really cute today.
Thank you. Always.
If you could marry any person, real or fictional, who would it be and why?
Would you marry me?
आप कूल हो या हॉट हो?
वो टेम्परेचर पर डिपेंड करता है.
अरे वाह, क्या बात है. वाह वाह वाह. I wish all the best to the Provoke Personal Care Mr. India 2015 finalist, and I hope everybody gets what they deserve.
I finally know how it feels like to be on the other side of the contest. But we've got to wait for the results that will be announced at the Retro Night Bash right after. So let's head there.
थोड़ी एंग्शियस हैं, थोड़े नर्वस हैं कुछ लोग, कुछ एक्साइटेड हैं क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा माहौल गर्म होने वाला है.
थोड़ा सा नर्वस है और थोड़ा सा इमोशनल भी है क्योंकि हमारी जर्नी ऐसे स्टार्ट हुई थी.
जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं सारे नर्वस हैं, बट आई एम ऑलवेज लाइक कूल.
सो इट्स शो टाइम, पार्टी टाइम.
10-minute call, boys. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready to rock it? Yes. We are one of the best teams I've ever worked with.
Let's go outside and kill it. Let's rock it.
Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to all of you here to witness one of the most stunning nights of the year.
The time has come to announce the sub-contest winners.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the 15 most desirable men who are wearing a special watch, and I'll tell you which one that is. That is the Geo Collection, is that right?
Absolutely right.
So let's call on a stage our 15 finalists with a loud cheer. Come on guys.
Alright, it's time to present our first award, which is the Provoke Personal Care Best Actor. And to present this award, we call upon Mr. Mohit Marwa, Brand Ambassador of Provoke Personal Care. So Provoke Personal Care Best Actor, number 7, Rahul Rajasekharan. And we have a tie with contestant number 10, Rohit Khandelwal.
Moving on to our next award, which is the Geo Collection Mr. Trend Setter. And to present the award, I'd like to call upon Mrs. Neha Saraf, Director of Brainstorm Geo Collection. And the winner is Sagar Gera.
Geo Collection is basically about bling, it's about glamour. So the fusion was great. It was lovely to see them wearing the watches.
And the winners for the rest of the sub-contest are Zoiro, Mr. Perfect Body, Ullas Thiman.
It was really a wonderful event, fabulous, and we hope a great success to this event.
So stay on Mr. Active. And to do the honors, I'd like to call upon stage Mr. Jayesh Mehta, proprietor Shri Maruti Herbal. So the winner is number 10, Rohit.
Moving on to our next sub-contest, Dr. A's Clinic, Mr. Healthy Hair. And to do the honors, we would like to call upon Captain Dr. Arvind Poswal, Chairman, Dr. A's Clinic, Private Limited. Accompanying him, Mrs. Bharti Poswal, Director, Dr. A's Clinic, Private Limited. The winner of Dr. A's Clinic, Mr. Healthy Hair. Contestant number 12, Sagar Gera.
Moving on to our next award, which is the Wall Mr. Metrosexual. And to present the award, I'd like to call upon Mr. Rohit Sood, Managing Director, Wall India. And the winner for Wall Mr. Metrosexual is contestant number 14, Suraj Chacha.
It's been a great association with Provoke Mr. India, and we look forward for the next 2 years since we are associated for 3 years with them.
SRM University, Mr. Sudoku. एक बार फिर सूरज छाजे.
Pro Sport Mr. Iron Man. For this award, I'd like to call upon stage Zahir Khan. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner for the Pro Sport Mr. Iron Man, Rahul.
Congratulations to all the winners. And for those of you who didn't make it, don't lose hope as you might still be in the running for the title. Thank you, boys. Wishing all of you all the best.
ये शाम पूरी फिल्मी होने वाली है. There's music, dance, drama, मस्तीज at this party.
खुशियों के लाखों खजाने मुझको बुला रहे हैं. गीत सुहाने अनजाने रास्ता दिखा रहे हैं. You know it. नाच ले, ए दिल झूम के नाच ले, हर धून के वो नाच ले, ए दिल झूम के नाच ले, हर धून के.
And moving on, it's time to witness some fine haute couture. Behold the finale menswear collection in deep jewel tones.
Now to call upon the ace designer behind this wonderful collection, none other than Nivedita Sabu. Well, it is now time to reveal the top 6 stunning finalists.
Well, we had an indoor judging yesterday where our esteemed jury helped decide the shortlisted finalists.
The 6 finalists for Provoke Personal Care Mr. India 2015 are number 10, Rohit Khandelwal.
Up next, number 7, Rahul Rajasekharan.
Next is number 6, Pratik Gujral.
Contestant number 2, Ankit Arora.
Next is contestant number 11, Rupinderjeet Singh.
And now time to announce our last finalist for this evening. It's contestant number 1, Akshay Jain. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Our top 6 finalists for Provoke Personal Care Mr. India 2015.
Wow. Well, the most awaited moment of the evening is finally here.
Yes, absolutely. And as in tradition, we will now announce the second runner-up, first runner-up, and the title holder for Provoke Personal Care Mr. India 2015. Are we all ready?
All right, the moment is here. And to do the honors, I'd like to call upon stage our reigning Mr. India, Pratik Jain.
And now, it is time to announce the second runner-up of Provoke Personal Care Mr. India 2015 is number 6, Pratik Gujral.
All right. The first runner-up for Provoke Personal Care Mr. India 2015. The winner is number 7, Rahul Rajasekharan.
we ready? The winner for Provoke Personal Care Mr. India 2015 is... I want to hear you guys screaming.
Right.
Please put your hands together for contestant number 10, Rohit Khandelwal.
The winner of Provoke Personal Care Mr. India 2015, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and make some noise.
Woo!
This is undoubtedly the most memorable day in my life. Somebody asked me, do you define success? I said I've never experienced, and today I feel I did. Thank you so much. I feel so good. Thank you so much, everyone.
May I please invite on stage Mr. Marwa, brand ambassador of Provoke Personal Care, to award the winners with gift hampers from Provoke Personal Care.
This is the second year we are in association, and I think the sort of talent which is coming out right now, I'm sure the future superstars of India are going to be from here.
I would like to congratulate all the 3 winners on behalf of Stay On.
We'd now like to call upon Mrs. Neha Saraf, Director, Brandstorm, Geo Collection, to present your watches from Geo Collection to our winners. Now I'd like to call upon stage Mr. Navdeep Jai, National Sales Manager, Wall India, to present special gift hampers from Wall.
As soon as we announced our winners, there was a big surprise waiting for them. Guess who?
This is like your Filmfare Award. Debut.
India's most desirable man has been chosen. We have our Provoke Personal Care Mr. India 2015, powered by Geo Collection in association with Zoiro and Stay On, only on Zoom.